Did you realize that more than 10 million Americans have trouble paying their taxes on time each year? Navigating the IRS system may be stressful, confusing, and occasionally overwhelming. It's not just about the money. Does that sound familiar? You're not alone if you've ever experienced this, and this video can assist. I get it. Tax payments can feel like a mountain. But what if I told you there's a way to make your IRS payments online efficiently, saving you stress, time, and possibly even some fines? Stay there, because I'll take you step by step through the entire process, and you'll feel totally in charge by the conclusion. Let us address the obvious. Why is paying the IRS such a hassle? First of all, there is a genuine dread of making a mistake. A single incorrect number could result in fines, delays, or worse. Then there is the bewildering web of IRS payment gateways and forms. I assure you that you are not alone in wondering, am I doing this right? While you gaze at the screen. And the annoyance? It's legitimate. You want to do the right thing after all, but it seems like the system is against you. I understand, as I have also been there. Now let's turn that frustration into confidence. Making IRS payments online efficiently is all about 3 key steps: clarity, accuracy, and preparation. Let's break this down. Make sure you have your tax ID, payment amount, and reason for payment available before you even log in. This will spare you from rushing at the last minute. The IRS Direct Pay method is the key to success. It is quick, safe, and cost-free to use. You can locate it by just searching for IRS Direct Pay on Google. Follow the instructions. It's really easy to use. Additionally, they offer choices for purchasing with a credit or debit card. However, there's a small cost. And the best part, you'll get an immediate confirmation number. Save this. It's your proof that the payment went through. Allow me to tell you a little story. When Lisa, a friend of mine, discovered she owed past taxes, she became extremely frightened. She considered paying someone to do it, but she didn't have much money. She tested the IRS Direct Pay facility after being encouraged to do so. You know what? Her payment was completed in less than 15 minutes, and she experienced a remarkable relief from the burden. Just relief. No stress, no late fees. Lisa's story proves that with the right tools, you can take control of this process too. Now, it's your turn. Imagine the peace of mind you'll feel knowing your IRS payments are handled efficiently and stress-free. No more second guessing, no more wasted time, just confidence that you've got this. If this video helped you feel more prepared, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments if you've ever used the IRS Direct Pay system or if you have any tips of your own. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical, empowering content like this. Together, we'll tackle those financial challenges one step at a time.